Hello SaaS builders. In this video, I'm going to show you an example of metric billing model with Stripe billing and bill flow. Let's get to it. In this case, a metric billing usually have a very frictionless start for the user to sign up and register for the app. In this case, we're asking for name, email, and password. This is a fake registration, so I can click register. Once the user gets into the app, typically they get presented with a credit card entry as an optional step. They can skip and go to integration step and setting up the product and integrate, and then come back and enter their credit card or just enter it right away. Either way, this is a bill flow checkout form that is embedded into the app in this case. So as a user, I can go ahead and use Stripe test card, enter this into the checkout form, and once I do, I can then manage my subscription. Nothing gets charged right away until I actually start using the app. So in this case, the customer portal shows me when is my next payment, how much I've used, in this case 10,000 API calls. I can update my card, I can download my invoices. So how do you actually get this usage recorded in Stripe? Stripe actually has a very good, easy API, single API call that you can call. It's called create a usage record. You basically pass the quantity and the timestamp of the usage, and Stripe would handle the rest. So I'll come back here. You can see that my usage right now is 15 cents for the upcoming month. I already have a set of usages ready. I'm going to press enter. I'm using Stripe CLI in this case. So I just recorded 3 different sessions for this user. If I go back to my Chrome, refresh this page, let's go back to the portal. We should be able to see the new set of users. So now it's switched to 1.73 for the next billing cycle. If I look at the usage, now we have 115,000 API calls that this user has used in this cycle. It's pretty easy. This use case can get more complex as you have more billing logic, but in high level overview, this is a pretty easy to implement billing use case, especially if you're using toolkits like BillFlow on top of Stripe billing. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.